What's up guys, crypto everything here again. And in today's video I'm gonna be showing you how to make a potential 100x with this new coin on Lazio fan token. Okay, so this is the Binance app. If you've not registered for Binance, and you need to create an account, I'll leave a link in the description below where you can register. And you just need to do basic and intermediate verification. You just have to provide some identification and then you're going to be verified within 2 hours. Okay, now once you head over to your Binance app, you go to Launchpad. Okay, once you click on Launchpad, you're going to see tokens. You just hover up to onto this place here that says Launchpad. Then you'll be seeing tokens that Binance have in their Launchpad. What this the Launchpad is these are coins that are going to be listed on Binance as the exchange. You know, some coins have other exchanges as their exchange where they exchange their coins. But if you know, Binance is like the biggest exchange platform in the world for cryptocurrency. So you know, once Binance is about to list, so people get more interested in the coin. So they give it like a 10 days or 8 days warming up period where people get aware of the coin so that they get ready for when the coin is listed. So you can sell your coins buy, because the thing is, once it's been listed, the coin is going to moon at least a 10x to 100x, 500x, depending on how many people are buying the coin at the time or the awareness of the coin at the time. The last coin that they did was Better Finance. Okay, Better Finance did well. It did well. It did about 5,000%. Do you know what that means? 5,000%. That was like more than 100x. Okay, so that's what it did. Now, if you check on buy or click on Better, you will see something. It sold for, now the selling price was about 6 cents. Okay, now the selling price was 6 cents. Now they converted it to BNB. It used to be in dollars. Now they've converted it to BNB, but it sold for 6 cents. And I'm going to show you how it grew to when it was finally listed. So I'm going to go to my trades. I'm just going to go to uh, Better BUSD, and I'm just going to open my chart to see how much it sold for. Now we're just going to go to where it sold from. So you can see right here, this is the floor price, and now this is the price it got to immediately it was listed. So immediately it was listed, people started buying the coin, and those that had it before made a gain of 5,000x all the way. It moved all the way from here. So now if you think about it, from 6 cents it moved all the way to $5.8. Do you know how many percent that is? 5,000%, more than 5,000%. That's what it means. I could show you. I could just show you how much that means, how many percent that is. I could just show you. Okay, let's see. So you can see 6,000 plus percent. That's what it made, 6,000 plus percent. So if you were the type that got in immediately it was listed, you would have had so much gain, 6,000%. That's what it made. So that is the essence of this Binance Launchpad. It helps people to make quick money. So if you get in on the train early, you'll be able to make money. Now there is a waiting period though. For those that want to buy it before, I did try to buy Better, but it didn't work. You know, there is a preparation time, there is a launch time, subscription time. All these I find it to be useless, because now, as you can see, there's a better for you to be able to participate in all these things. You need to have a BNB holding, then there's a subscription time, calculation period, then final token distribution. What I did was I held I held z- um 0.17 BNB for this course. I had BNB in my wallet for about 8 days so that I can be eligible to participate. So after that, I thought I was going to get so much better tokens, because they were going to distribute 50 million of the better tokens to whosoever participated in the stuff. So I did that, and what I ended up getting was just 0.68 better, which was about $2. They didn't even give me up to one. They didn't give me up to one better. So I found out that I wasted my time when I could have easily waited for it to list and quickly buy. I wasted my time holding it here to subscribe for this stuff. So I found a better way. Instead of you to subscribe, you just wait until it is listed. Once it is listed, you quickly buy, and then people keep buying, and then the price goes up, and then you sell. Okay, so that is what we are going to be doing for Lazio token too. So as you can see, let's go to the Lazio token. This one is on ground now. This is the one that is going to be listed soon. As you can see, it's selling for 1 USD per Lazio. That means if you wait for them with your BNB, you need to have BNB holding for the past 7 days for you to be part of them. And how much you have as BNB holders at that time determines how much you can use to enter. So if you had one BNB in your Binance wallet for 7 days, you're gonna be able to buy up to one BNB's worth of Lazio before it is listed. So if you didn't have, you can't buy more than one BNB's worth of Lazio token before it is listed, because now you only have one BNB account. But if you had just 0.2 BNB throughout that 7 days, then it's 0.2 BNB is the maximum you can use to buy Lazio tokens before it is listed. Then after it is listed, you can decide to buy how much you want. But before it is listed, people get a higher chance of getting into the trade before it starts. Okay, so then you can make more profit like that. But most of the time, lots of people want to be part of this at the same time. So if they gave let's go back to Beta to see something. When you click on Beta, I'm going to show you how many people subscribed to this, how many people kept BNB just to wait for this. Okay, so you can see the total participants. We had 158,944 people waiting here with their BNB. They subscribed their BNB, like they deposited their BNB just so they could have a spot to collect some of this better. So, and now they raised up to 7.3 million BNB for this. Now, what Binance does is that there's a calculation that they do based on how much you put here, how many BNB you put. It determines the percentage that you're going to get from the total distribution token. They said they were going to distribute about 50 million better. So 50 million better is going to be shared amongst 158,944 people. And now, so 158,944 people are going to get better tokens. But what determines your percentage or how many better you get depends on how many BNB you use for subscription at the time. So when that is done, they are going to remove, if after your waiting you're able to get just one better, they're going to remove the price of one better from the BNB that you put in for the holding. So if you subscribed with one BNB and you got just two better, two better equals to 12 cents. So they're going to remove 12 cents from your one BNB and give you back the remaining in your spot wallet. So your money is not going to be missing. You're going to get the remaining one back, but you're just going to get just a small portion of the better token. So the big whales are the ones who actually gain from this stuff. So the ones that put in 50 BNB, 100 BNB, 1000 BNB, these are the people, 1 million BNB, these are the people that gain a lot because they have a bigger percentage of the 50 million tokens that they are going to give to these 159,000 people, 58,000 people. Okay, so now you and I that probably wouldn't have up to 1 BNB to subscribe, we won't be getting much. So what we have to do is wait for when it is launched, and there's always a date to give. They give you up to 12. It's always 12 noon, then it is listed around 1, because this is the time the token is distributed. Then 1 p.m. in my time, because I'm from Nigeria, it's my time. I don't know, in your own time it's going to be shown there when it is going to be listed. Okay, so around that time is when you should just have your USDT ready, or you have your BNB ready, or your BUSD ready for when it is listed. Once it is listed, you quickly exchange, then you buy the token, then you wait for it to boost, because people are going to buy too, and when people buy, the price goes up, and then you make profit. So with this Lazio token, we are going to wait from when it is listed. So it's going to be listed. You have how many hours remaining? Let's just see. Waiting period. This is the time that is remaining for this coin before it is launched. I'm sorry I even brought this video late, but I'm going to be showing you another way where you can make money with this Lazio coin. Okay, just make sure you watch my next couple of videos. I'm going to be posting a way you can make. Okay, so now we have just 1 day, 20 hours to wait for this coin to be listed. Okay. Now, if you need to get your money ready, your BNB ready, your USDT ready, and now that is just it. But again, if you need to get your coins ready, your USDT, your BNB, your BUSD ready. And I know that there's some countries where you can't use your card to buy cryptocurrency because cryptocurrency is banned. You can buy Bitcoin, you can buy BUSD, you can buy USDT, you can buy BNB. Okay, but I'm going to be showing you the way to do it, and which is Binance P2P. So we're going to be using Binance P2P to in our BNB ready, our USDT, or any coin we're going to be using to exchange. But majorly, the base coin that they usually use is either BNB or USDT. So we're going to be getting in either of those ready. And for those of you that are in countries where you can't choose your bank, that's where P2P. Just click on trades. Sorry, when you click on trades, you just go to P2P. You go to P2P, P2P right here. Then you can be able to buy coins from or people in your country. Now, what P2P is that now, you know, if you want to transfer money from your card to Binance, it has to go through your bank. And now the bank has said no, we won't be able. We don't want to give you those benefits anymore. We don't want to do any transaction that has to do with cryptocurrency. So now, what P2P helps you do is there are some people in your country, individuals like you, that want to buy these your coins or they want to sell to you. So P2P helps you connect to them, and Binance is the one that organizes everything, and it is so safe that even if you give somebody your money, just rest assured that it's going to transfer the money or the equivalent coins into your account as long as you follow the procedures. Okay. So so P2P helps us to eliminate the banks. We don't have to do transactions from the bank anymore. You just transfer to the person, and the person sees the alert. Then he sends you the coin in your Binance. He approves it. Or if you want to sell to, you can sell to people. They'll transfer money to you. Then you transfer the coins back to them. So Binance helps you secure the whole thing. And that is another video. If you check my channel, I'm going to show you. There's a video that I have made that shows you um uh Binance P2P procedures, how to go about it. I'm going to leave the link in the description below. So if you are in those kind of countries where it is prohibited for you to use cryptocurrency to buy cryptocurrency with your bank cards or with your bank, P2P is a solution for you. I'm in a country like Nigeria where it is banned. You can't use your can or your card or your bank to buy cryptocurrency directly. Your account will be closed, and it's gonna, you know what that means for you, frozen. So we do P2P. Someone transfers to me, I send them coin, or someone gives transfers to me, I transfer to them and they send me coin. Okay, it's that simple. So what you have to do now is come here and buy USDT. But I don't want to make this video too long, but when because making adding how to buy coin here is gonna make it too long. I will link another video in the description where you can learn how to buy and sell cryptocurrencies using P2P, Binance P2P. Okay, and for you to be eligible for Binance P2P, all you have to do is you register your on Binance, do your verification, then you'll be able to transfer. You add the bank details and all that stuff, then you'll be able to sell and buy on Binance using P2P. P2P is like the best thing that has happened to me in my country. You cannot buy any cryptocurrency with your bank. So P2P, Binance P2P has helped me, and that is what I'm using. I'm going to be showing you in the video, and I will link in the description below. Okay, so make sure you do that. So once you've bought your coin, let's just assume that you've bought your coin with P2P. Now all you have to do now is waiting for their launching period, and the launch period is in a day's time, a day and 19 hours. So when that launches, you'll be able to buy. Make sure you follow up this thing. They're going to be giving you time after time when you know how things are going on, subscription period, distribution period. So just make sure you wait to the very second. So once it is listed, you quickly buy in and make that much profit. Okay, other coins too, like coin 99, it did the same thing too. It sold for they did the same thing. All coins that are being listed on Binance Launchpad, they have the same process, and they get the same effect, the same benefits increase on this. So this is what I actually wanted to show you. I know the video is coming late, but I'm going to be showing you a way also that you're going to be able to make a huge amount from this same Lazio coin, even though it is listed and you are unable to get into the trade before the thing goes up. There's another way that you can get it done. Okay, so just make sure you subscribe, you like my video, and wait in the channel because I'm gonna be uploading a video soon and you don't want to miss it. So this is crypto everything right here again, and I'm gonna be seeing you next time, guys. Bye.